Hi guys, I am having this video on after a long time because I have been doing nothing. I am just frustrated, but I am enjoying it. We are going to talk about how to bounce back. So this is my very first day. From this day, yesterday I have decided that from now onwards I'll be fully engaged in the activities of boards, examination, this and that. I'll not be having even a single second, but I'm doing everything subtly. I'm not even studying for even a single second. And this is what I'm making me, you know, angry on myself. I know that the only reason is this feeling is to just sit down and open the books and just read out. Yesterday I have made plan and today I'm not executing it. Why this is happening? I don't know. Literally, what is happening? What is happening? Nothing. Like really nothing. See, I just don't want to waste this video talking rubbish, but I have to speak and I have to speak and I have to speak. So I will speak anything for these 15 minutes. I'm not going to tell about the past journeys because it's would be the waste of time because I am focusing on today and today I'm not focusing everyone. What is this happening? I'm going. I'm feeling crazy. I'm feeling crazy, and why? I mean, what is there to speak about here? What is there to speak about? Let me tell you about the ports of India. So there are, more than 112. I mean, more than 200 ports. Uh, Among them, 12 ports are very important. Okay, and they are controlled and managed by the central government of India, and about 200 ports are considered intermediate ports or marginal ports, small ports, and these are generally managed by state government. Our western coast of India has more ports than the eastern coast. Let me name out uh, some of the western ports of India: Kandla Port, Mumbai Port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Marabagaon Port, and New Mangalore Port, Kochi Port. And let me add some basic details about it. So Kandla Port is located on the run of Kutch, Gulf of Kutch, and it has developed, mm, you know it it has developed to reduce the pressure on Mumbai port, and it's basically it's mainly engaged with petroleum product export and imports. And then we uh, come to Mumbai port. So Mumbai port is the largest port of India, and it has the largest country's largest oil terminal. It's about 20-kilometer long and 6 to 10-kilometer wide. And yeah, it was developed during the, by the Britishers. It kind of Maragua port. So Maragua port is in Goa. Okay, before Maragua comes Jawaharlal Nehru Port. So it is located at Nava Sheva. Okay, and it is the largest tanker port of India. It was also developed to reduce the congestion on Mumbai port. It is in Maharashtra. Then come Maramagaon port. So Maramagaon port was okay. Is it is in entrance? It is located on the entrance of Juari estuary, right, in Goa, and it was remodeled in 1961 and to export iron ore to Japan. Okay, then comes our next port, uh, that is that is our New Bangalore port. So it is in Karnataka. It is located in Karnataka. So and it is a general. It exports general cargo like oil, petroleum, manufactured product, grain. Okay, then comes our most important port, that is Kochi port. It is called the Queen of Queen of Arabian Sea because it has located. I mean, it is nearest to the Suez Colombo route. It is at Kayal, Kayal. Okay, in Kerala. Then comes our eastern port. So Kolkata port was one of the largest port. I mean, oldest port developed by Britishers. It is located in 150 kilometer in inwards inland to Bay of Bengal. It is a inland port. Okay, it is losing its significance because of the development of other port and the diversion of export and import activities to other ports. Then comes our okay, Kandla port have a supporting port harbor, that is Vadinar. You must have heard Vadilal ice cream, so you can learn it through that Vadinar. Right? Yes. And yeah, कोलकाता पोर्ट देन आता है अपना oh, Kolkata port, Paradweep port. Then there is also one port between Kolkata and Paradweep. Okay. Then comes our Kolkata. Paradweep is in Odisha. Hmm. Then Vishakhapatnam port. Ennore Port, Tamil Nadu Port, Chennai Port, sorry, Chennai Port, then comes Tuticorin Port. So, uh, yeah, Paradip Port is located on the Mahanadi Delta and it is the deepest, it has deepest harbor. Okay. Uh, and what should I tell you? Tell you. I'm literally, I'm feeling empty. So I have 17 minutes to talk about what to talk about. Here I'm feeling peace. I think I should need to I need to meditate. Yeah, this is the only way through which I can keep myself calm down and I focus. I mean, I have I have done nothing. I cannot waste today. I will do anything. I will do something. Literally, really. What 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 should that be? So here I would not. I would not write any. Huh? I would not write any kind of uh, exam today. I'm frustrated. Yeah, so I'm frustrated, and that's what I wanted. So let's start from this point onwards, and let play this game. Let's play this game. This game is all about. Uh, what is happening? Somebody is sticking the door. That somebody I don't know. Who is that buddy? These rubbish things. I can do it all day. But what's that bringing to me? What's that bringing to me? Like nothing. Okay. So what should we talk about? What should we talk about? What should we talk about? I think I should unleash myself and do everything that I want to. Really? Not at all. Nobody, no. If I would unleash myself, I can kill myself. So that should I kill myself? No, because it is harmful. And that is why I have to keep myself protected from the harmful work. I mean, a single mistake can lead my life to the jail, and that's I don't want. I want to make more mistakes, not a single mistake. Like, what is happening, buddy? What is happening? Somebody, somebody of you, somebody from you can you tell me what's this feeling called? I mean, I'm not depressed. I'm not happy. I'm not sad. I'm not empty. I'm not full. I'm between 16 types of feeling. And what's this called? Uncertainty. Yeah, I got the point. Uncertainty. So this video is going to be sponsored by nothing, and this video is just going to be ended soon, and I just don't want to talk about anything. Who is that guy? any idea. Hi guys, you must be thinking what has changed. So I have changed my position. This is one way to kind of to be protected from the uncertain weather that is uh, being prevalent nowadays, and I'm literally feeling cold, and and it is not ending, and that's why I'm यार सच में यार क्या हो रहा है ये just please be there I'm coming what is happening yes you must be thinking what is this happening. Even I am thinking what is happening. Should I take a video lecture? Or should I do my self studies? What should I do? Whoa, this rubbish, this uncertainty, this what is this called? What is this called? I mean, what is happening? I, I. So I have decided I'll take a video lecture. So bye today. Today, this video is very. Bye, yaar.